As promised, the Feds have raised the key interest rate another 75 basis points. What's this mean for buyers and sellers? Stick around and find out. Welcome back. My name is Brad Myers, 20-year home inspector turned real estate agent with Harmony Realty Group right here in Fulton County, Ohio. Okay, so this Fed meeting at the end of July, as promised, they raised the rates another 75 basis points. This has been on the minds of a lot of consumers. There's been a lot of talk about mortgage rates skyrocketing, homes not selling, a bubble bursting, market crash, and a lot of other nonsense that you see in the headlines. First off, mortgage rates didn't go up. They actually dropped a little bit. Now, this tells me that lenders may have already priced their interest rates for the year based on what the Feds did back in June, which was raise rates back then as well. Because the Feds have been saying since January there's going to be several price increases throughout the year to try to get ahead of inflation. And second, after the meeting, Chairman Powell said that inflation may have peaked and we may be seeing the end of this thing. Powell also said after the meeting that there may be some rate decreases coming in the future because they feel like they may have gotten ahead of inflation. Now, this is the first time they've said anything about any kind of rate decrease. So when they meet again in September, that's definitely going to tell us a little bit more about how they feel about inflation. Okay, so for sellers, this is kind of good news because rates are starting to stabilize, or it appears like they're starting to stabilize, keeping affordability where it's at right now. Unfortunately, that's also going to bring some competition to the market because a lot of sellers are starting to realize that, we're not going to stay in this environment forever. If I want to cash out on what I have, I better get out there and do it now. Now, if you're a home buyer, this is your window of opportunity. You guys have been waiting for the market to swing in your favor for the last 24 months. We're starting to see homes sit on the market more than just a couple of days. Mortgage rates appear to be stabilizing. As a buyer, this gives you an opportunity to make a slower, more informed decision on your next home purchase. This is turning into what a normal market's supposed to look like. There's nothing to be alarmed about. We're just seeing a window of opportunity, so get out there and take advantage of it.